Good morning. So I'm in Ubud. I checked in this Airbnb. Um, I think at 7 or 8 yesterday. It was too late and I was tired, so I slept. I couldn't make the Airbnb tour, but this Airbnb is so beautiful, so pretty. I'm gonna make a tour right now, and I'm gonna have my breakfast and then we're gonna head out to visit a temple and then do some rice terraces. Okay, see you. Bye. This is the entrance. We have got a beautiful garden you can see. Let's check it. This is the swimming pool. And this fountain has a very calming effect, I feel. Here we have sitting area. This is our room. There's no wall. These are glass. It's so pretty. This room is so pretty. They have also provided bathroom, and I'm really happy with the service and everything about this Airbnb is top notch. And the name of this Airbnb is
Omayong.
Omayong. So if you want, you can check that out. This is the washroom. We have also a bathtub here, which I haven't used and I can't use now because I've got my period.
Where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Ignore this mess. This is what I am wearing today. We are going to a temple and then to rice terraces. Ubud is known as the cultural capital of Bali, and honestly, it truly is. I'm not even kidding, like every house here looks like a temple. The entire ride, my hair was out like a golden retriever, just admiring the art.
Entwine with the trees that stand.
There are so many famous temples in Ubud, but if you want to escape the crowd, visit this hidden gem, the Lake Temple. It is bit far, around 1.5 hours from central Ubud. You can take a boat ride on the lake and even feed the fishes. Such a calm experience. This temple is so beautiful. It has so many flowers and the weather is quite good. It's sunny but not too hot. This is a really beautiful temple.
After that, we went for a coffee tasting, something our driver suggested. And since I'm
Yeah,
a total coffee lover, of course I had to try it. But the
yeah.
one and only thing I don't like about Bali is their coffee. The tasting session is free, but if you want to try that famous cat poop coffee, it costs around 250 rupees. We did try it and nope, not a fan. Next stop is Jatiluvi Rice Terraces. There are many rice terraces near central Ubud, but this one is a bit farther and largest of all. It's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's breathtaking. Sitting there for an hour felt like a therapy. The view, the silence, everything. We ended our day with pizza at a cozy little cafe nearby and then headed back to our Airbnb. Stay tuned for the second part of this vlog.